Welcome back to A&W Entertainment. I'm Wadney. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. To all the people that are back, welcome back. Today is gonna be a office declutter extreme cleaning motivational video, and go check out my cousin's page, Ruthie Vlog World, because she has a lot of cleaning videos. Check her out. I guess that's gonna help me as well. My neighbor Austin. Anyways, you guys, if you haven't did before, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to A&W Entertainment, and comment down below your guys' motivational cleaning. All right, let's get started. This is like wedding stuff that I got. More junk over here. This is like our first date, like when we went painting. Boxes, party stuff, Alex's guitar, I have a Haitian flag in here.
My guitar now.
This is like, look at this. We have a whole desk over here. All right, we're gonna take all of this out. This is probably gonna be like an hour of cleaning, you guys. And then I have to do the closet. Catalina, move out the way. Come. Yes, you guys, I know I am not matching polka dots and stripes. Excuse me, it's a cleaning video. And also, I want to let you guys know, when we say A&W Entertainment, it's really short for Alex and Wadney. I know we need to start saying actually Alex, welcome back to Alex and Wadney, but we just say A&W for short. So hopefully you guys didn't need that explanation. Anyways, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. heavy. I'm gonna have to wait till my husband comes out. And then I'm gonna sit and organize these stuff that's in here. To organize them a little bit so I just won't look like a hot mess. Comment down below if you guys use Bona for your floors. Oh my god, that just makes the floor look so nice, you guys. All right, let me know. Finally, everything's out and cleaned. So now I am putting everything back into the office. If you watched the video this far and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and comment down below. And also like and hit that little bell. All right, a little piece by piece. All right, I don't know if you guys remember this. I made it condense everything over from the top, like extra sheets when my nephew and nieces come over and stuff. So I condense everything and I put all the games over here. And then obviously we always like the products, things that we use all the time. So we always use the cooler. We're going to pour our pool bag. Our pictures, I condensed everything. And also Alex's CDs as well too. And this is actually for the sleep number bed. Some of it is actually up in the attic. So if you guys want a sleep number bed, let us know. And then the bookshelf, I took out all the stuff that we don't need. This is the mirror over here, you guys. Then Alex doesn't really play the guitar. So since he's done with school now, so he might start playing it again. So I put it over here in the corner. The exercise equipment. I moved the desk over here instead. I put a laptop. That's how I edit my videos. Our printer is still not working. So this desk I had for a very long time, you guys. And I don't know why I don't want to get rid of it. But I had this desk ever since I was in undergrad. And like, yeah. And I don't know why I did not want to get rid of it. And then over here, I put the chairs. So I figured for like YouTube for lighting purposes that I probably could film like over here where the sun is, because I have two windows over here. I don't know what I'm gonna put here yet. And then that's like the outside. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put on the walls yet, really. Just wanted to kind of get it. Doesn't it look different, you guys? Like, it looks completely different. All right, now this is how it looks like in front of the window. So this is why I put the two chairs there. I figured it would be like a good place for us to like kind of, I don't know, do some videos since we have 2 chairs. I have an extra chair because the extra chair came from my job because I bought a chair for my job. So excuse my hair, you guys, but this video was a cleaning inspirational extreme cluttering. Let me know if you guys like the video. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below what you guys think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to A&W Entertainment, and also hit that little bell so you guys can know every time we post some videos. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.